So why should we care about stability? Why is it important? Well, you see it appear with requirements in the Code of Federal Regulations, the International Standards Organization, International Conference on Harmonization, and the World Health Organization, as well as a lot of local and regional. So we want to talk a little bit about the stability roadmap and the product roadmap. And I found last time I put this in for the first time in last year's course that a lot of people are not really familiar with the mapping process and wondered what this was going to look like. So okay, this part is called walking through the stages. So some of you wanted to focus a little bit on the stages and what happens in each one. So amongst those, today we'll talk a little bit about forced degradation, extractables, and leachables. So today we're going to switch from the structure and the guidances and stakeholders that we had yesterday, and we're going to look at the tools that are involved in managing stability studies. So building phase appropriate stability protocols. We're going to talk about stability review boards. So we're going to look at chambers, excursions, and also sample control. So why stability chambers are critical? Well, if you have no stability chamber, you don't have a stability process. If you don't have a stability process, you don't have any stability data. If you don't have that, you don't have an FDA approval. And we'll look at the role of metrics. What is stability indicating for your stability function? So stability indicating in our laboratories is what really tells you what's going on with the product. There are other things that are academic to know about your product, that's product knowledge, but stability indicating